Oh snap.
I'm in Florida, I'm in the old.
Yeah, right?
We don't fuck with none of the
Oh, I left my keys.
old.
Oh shoot, I gotta go. Oh, shit, damn. Yeah, Josh about to get a new car. So
Never switched up. Getting hard up on the mic, I think I got a fever. Get the dragon on my side, feeling like Vegeta. Hit a bitch from the back.
But now look where we at.
yeah!
24 up in the Glock, I feel like I'm Kobe ballin' in the Lakers. I don't do these bitches favors. Got the sauce, got the flavor. Shake that bit like a Quaker.
Yo, what up, y'all? We on our way to Walmart, and we about to film a banger right now. Y'all about to see, all right? Stay tuned. Put it down and put it back up.
Nah, up like this.
Do you need help getting into your car? Do you need help getting into your car?
Yeah, but you don't have to carry that thing.
What, you want to carry
You
it?
have to do it, you have to do it. You have to go, not bring it to where the wind is going, but again.
Oh, like this? All right, let's go. We're gonna go to your car.
Yeah?
Yeah, let's go.
Oh, nice.
Which one is it?
Huh?
It's over here?
The red one right here.
Oh, okay, well, okay, that's cool. Hey, bro, I couldn't do it to her, bro. I could not do that to her. I couldn't do. I guess they don't want no help. I ain't tripping. The boy ain't tripping about nothing. Ain't tripping. Oh, snap. Oh, his car tight. That boy car hard. Come here, I got you, I got you. Let's go.
Right there, I got you. Thank you.
We good, we good. No, none of these Walmart people are getting wet.
Hardly any rain out right now.
Yeah, right?
Feels refreshing.
Oh, I left my keys. I got y'all, I got you. Nobody's getting wet today.
Oh no, we're good.
I got you, I got you. Y'all good?
Yeah, we're good.
Alright, yeah, I didn't want to help y'all anyways. Yeah, I got you. I gotta do her, she's too nice. You need help getting to your car? Alright, you have a good one. I did. I'm finna get some tips out here. No cap, I'm finna get some tips. Oh snap. Oh snap. Oh, I cannot let my boy walk. Oh no, he is not walking. He is not walking. My boy is not walking. You know I got you. I got you, boss.
Oh, thank you.
Yes, sir. I got you. You already know.
Sir, you're so nice.
Oh, my wallet. Oh, shoot. I gotta go. Oh, shoot. I gotta get my wallet. Oh, I gotta go get paid. I gotta go get paid. I got the last one. It's all good. Have a good one, sir. Hi, ma'am.
No.
No, it's all good. We're all good. Y'all have a good one. I got you. I got you. No getting wet here. No getting wet.
Well, thank you.
Yep. Y'all need help getting to your car? Y'all need help? No? Okay. No English? Okay. It ain't even raining, bro. I could dead just sit here. It ain't even raining. Oh, snap. I ain't trying to get right over. Nobody's getting wet today. No getting wet.
Thank you.
Y'all stay blessed. Y'all have a good rest of y'all day. Mom. Nah, there's too many of them. I don't even want to walk there. I would, but there's too many of them. Excuse me, ma'am, you need help getting to your car? Yeah, I got you. I got both of y'all.
Oh, thank you. I got one, baby.
Oh, okay, y'all good.
I appreciate it. Thank you.
Oh, bro, it's not even raining, but these folks don't even care.
Your house? Oh, okay. Hey, you got my wallet, right?
They already got umbrellas. Like, they already got umbrellas. Oh, shoot. Oh, shoot. Time out. Yeah. Yeah, oh, shoot. Oh, yeah, I got you. Yup, yup.
Good, boss. I appreciate it.
I got y'all. I got you, I got you. No getting wet here.
Hello?
I got you too. I couldn't leave you out. You know what I'm saying? I couldn't leave you out.
No, still my watch.
I'm certified. I'm bagging the hose left and right. That's what I do. That's what I do, y'all boys. Oh snap. Oh snap. Yeah. That's what I do, boy. They need to stop playing with me. That's what I do. That's what I do. Bagging hose left and right. Low key, it's not even raining hard. So people didn't even need it, but I still gave it to them. Oh shoot. Hold on, she got a dude. I can't raise her up. She got a man. Hold on. What up, mamas?
What happened, bro?
I'm finding me a girl. What? The girls with the backpacks? I guess so. But I also don't want them to see the camera. You know what I'm saying? Like if I'm risen up type shit. Oh shit, damn. Oh shoot, my bad. I think I fell for you or something. My bad.
Okay.
What you reading though?
I want to buy a journal.
A journal? For?
Yeah. For myself.
Okay. You know, we could journal like our lives together. A lot of things you can do with a journal.
Yeah, you're right. I am not single.
Oh,
Yeah, I'm sorry.
my bad. You know. Just holler at me when you done with him, alright? She not. I'm not. I'm not single. Shut your ass up. Holler at me when you done with him.
You think you're 21, bro? Should I just like run and then just drop this shit?
No, I'm not trying to pay for that. Yo. What up, y'all? You know what I'm saying? We've been on the road for like an hour and a half. And Josh about to get a new car. Tell him what's up, Josh.
Hey, what's up, man? Got that new whip, boy.
That new whip. Yeah. I'll put a picture of the whip on the screen right here. So y'all can see what it is. It's a 2-hour drive there and then like a 2.5 probably back because that traffic probably gonna take longer.
Pause this video.
So yeah. About to test drive it. That's a pie. It's nice. Oh yeah, boys, that boy done copped his shit. He's out. I'm gonna follow him home like an hour, and then we good. Yo, what's up, y'all boys? Guess what I'm doing today? I'm playing at the NBA G League court, the OCLA Magics. I'm playing at day court today with my school. It's our last game, pretty much, and I'm just finna hopefully go ball out. I'm excited for when I get there. I'm gonna hit y'all up when I get there, cause I ain't gonna film at school. I'm gonna brush my teeth and leave the house, and then I'll hit y'all up when I'm there. Alright, y'all boys. Put my shit like right here. Got the bus today.
Yo, put the bag in the trunk. What the hell? The bag in the trunk.
I'll wait to right? Yes, sir. Yeah. Just throw ourselves in here, like what?
Ya, como van ahí.
Yeah. That's hard.
Alright, chat, so, hey brother! Anyway, so it was a tough season for us. We had a couple losses, we had a couple wins.
Yeah.
But I just liked how we all progressed as a family, you know? We came from nothing, we were some shit! But now look where we at. So I just want to thank, most thankfully, I just want to thank Coach Morales.
Love you, Coach.
Put up tough practices. I was running that hard ass weather outside. It's gonna get you better. It's gonna get you better. Damn well. It did. So I just want to thank all y'all for it. Like all y'all my brothers, bro. Like y'all don't understand how much y'all affect me and my growth in sports and just me in general. Like I love all y'all. I love all y'all. As much as I say I hate you, funny, I love you. Yes sir. Thank you guys. Wait. We all deserve this shit. Even though 3 niggas on me, 1, 2, 3.